Let's look at how you can use PolyNome as a library manager for Rhythm Generator. I have PolyNome open here. I'm going to go to Slide Over and choose Rhythm Generator. So I have Rhythm Generator in the background and PolyNome right here. And I can slide PolyNome off the screen. I can generate a rhythm here. And let's say I want to save this particular rhythm to PolyNome. I can tap on the Share button and choose Open in PolyNome. You'll see it creates a preset in PolyNome, gives it the name Random Rhythm and the date. I can rename this to whatever I like. So let's say we call it RG12 because I have a few in there. Just close that. So you can play that rhythm in PolyNome and do anything you like with it in there. But you'll notice if we go back to the library, it has this dice label on it. And any presets in PolyNome that have that dice label, when you tap them, you will see a banner at the top, Open in Rhythm Generator. I can tap that and it will open my saved rhythm in Rhythm Generator. So PolyNome can be used like a library to quickly access previously saved rhythms. So let's tap this RG demo, tap on Open in Rhythm Generator, and there it is. You can also long press on any preset, whether or not it has that dice label. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 here, I can long press on this and choose Share, Open in Rhythm Generator. So you can open any rhythm you've created in PolyNome in Rhythm Generator. It doesn't have to be one that was saved from Rhythm Generator. If you wanted to add that dice label to a PolyNome preset, just long press on it, choose Add Edit Labels, and find that dice label and tap it. And if you want to narrow down your PolyNome library to only things that you've dedicated to be Rhythm Generator rhythms, you can tap on the ellipsis menu, choose Filter, and filter on that dice. So now these are all the rhythms that I've said are my Rhythm Generator rhythms. I can tap on any one of these, tap on the banner, it opens in Rhythm Generator. I can hide my library, and there we go. That's how to use Rhythm Generator and PolyNome together.